Welcome to Octal Steel's LSAW straight seam pipe production line. First, the steel plate enters the line and passes through plate online UT inspection, where multi-channel probes scan the full width and track point by point in real time. The system identifies lamination, inclusions, and fine cracks, ensuring defect-free base metal and lifting overall product reliability. We then move directly into plate edge milling. Both edges are machined to the specified bevel, angle, and land, while an automatic scrap conveyor removes chips continuously to keep the line clean and efficient. Next comes plate edge pre-bending. The machine pre-bends the plate edges to counter springback and establish an initial arc. Now the plate enters JCO, forming JCOE, an advanced progressive process. Press to J, bend to C, close to O, and finally expand to E. This route controls diameter and roundness, lowers residual stress, and is ideal for large diameter, heavy wall production where consistency matters. After forming, the pipe blank goes to the closing and tack welding unit. A 9-roll system aligns the seam, stabilizes the gap, and performs tack welding to lock the joint, preventing distortion in subsequent welding. Inside and outside saw are executed in one sequence. Tandem multi-wire saw inside up to 3 wires for deep penetration, quick slag cleanup. Then outside tandem saw up to 4 wires with layered filling to achieve full thickness fusion, smooth profile, and a significantly lower defect rate. Post-welding, we remove the run-in and tab plates. Operators cut and dress the transition area to eliminate start or stop effects. The camera shows the clean pipe end and smooth weld toe with no undercut. Quality verification follows immediately. UT on the welding seam and RT on the welding seam locate inclusions, lack of fusion, and porosity. Indications are graded to standards and all data are recorded for traceability. The pipe then proceeds to full-length cold expansion. Uniform plastic expansion calibrates roundness, improves dimensional accuracy, and relieves residual stress, enhancing ovality control and size consistency. After expansion, robotic tools grind the inside and outside seam to remove excess reinforcement and burrs so the surface is smooth and ready for coating and further NDT. Each pipe undergoes a hydrostatic pressure test, pressurize, hold, and monitor to verify tightness and pressure integrity, with results recorded in real time. We then perform end beveling, together with weighing and length measuring. Immediately after hydro, a second online UT on the welding seam confirms that no secondary defects have been introduced by testing or handling. The line completes final inspection, combining UT or ART results with visual and dimensional checks, including UT lamination checking on ends where required. Accepted pipes receive full documentation and release. Upon acceptance, the automatic marking robot applies specification standards and heat or batch numbers to ensure complete product traceability. End caps and protection are fitted, and the pipes enter storage. If a project requires anti-corrosion, we provide 3LPA external coating FB primer adhesive copolymer and polyethylene top coat with online DF and holiday testing to guarantee insulation and durability. Other internal or external coating options are also available. Finally finished pipes are staged in the yard. Aerial shots show our efficient facility and project-ready logistics capability. Thank you for watching Octal Steel's LSAW production line.